Go.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Catherine Gunila. I'm a chef. And I would just like to thank all our sponsors from different parts of the world. And I would also like to thank those who went out of their way to help us, especially our kababayan. And that's it. Thank you very much.
Go.
And I'm also very happy to be part of this group because all of us here are willing to give our 100% to help those who are in need. And we all hope and pray that this group will receive more blessings from different groups or organizations, so we can further help those who are in need, especially those who are in Visayas. Thank you.